Hey guys, it's Smitha. Welcome back to my channel. The much awaited bridal pictures of Deepika Padukone were finally out and she looked like a goddess both in Konkani style as well as Sindhi style. And today I'll be showing you her Konkani style bridal look. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching me. Without further ado, let's get this started. Because most of my guesswork came true from my yesterday's video, I thought I'll switch this up a little bit and I will recreate this look using only drugstore products so it's accessible to everybody. I'll be working off of just that one picture that she posted. Her brows were definitely filled in, so I'm going to be using the Ardell medium brown brow pomade, and I'm going to be filling in my sparse areas using my angled brush. I'm going to comb the hair once with a spoolie brush just so the color spreads across evenly, and then I'm going to clean the borders of my eyebrows using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige. You can use any concealer that you like, and then I'm going to use the concealer on my lids as well as a primer. Please observe that I'm rounding off the inner part of my brows because she has rounder brows than I do. To set the concealer so it doesn't crease, I'm going to be using the Fit Me powder from Maybelline in medium. Now on to creating that smooth base. I'm going to be first using the Aveeno moisturizer all over my face and neck just to smoothen my skin out. And I'm going to be priming my lips with a lip balm. For primer, I'm going with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. This is very inexpensive and it's one of the best primers. I absolutely love this. I'm going to be using this on my face and neck. This has silica in it, so it helps to fill in all the pores and fine lines and smoothen your skin surface out before you use anything else over it. For foundation, I'm using the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir in 745, and I'm going to be applying it with my Hip Dot Kabuki brush. And as always, for your convenience, I've listed all the products in the description box right below this video.
Through the nights, through the days, I heard the cries, but you wouldn't dry my tears away. So now,
if we look at this picture, it almost seems like the only other thing other than foundation that she had on her face is a very light contour at her cheekbones. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in bronze to just carve out my cheekbones and also my nose, because her nose is a little bit more slender than mine. And I'm going to blend everything out with a damp beauty sponge. She didn't even have a harsh highlight, so I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige just underneath my eyes to conceal my dark circles, and then I'm going to blend everything out again with a damp beauty sponge. With the same sponge, I'm going to pick up more of the loose powder to bake underneath my eyes. That way the concealer sets and the powder can sit there while I finish up my eye makeup, just in case there's any fallout. It's easier to dust it off later. From the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette, I'm taking this transition color to highlight my brow bones. And as we guessed, she definitely had a brown smoky eye. So I'm going to pick up this brown transition shade with my e.l.f. concealer brush. This is actually something that I use as a blending brush. It's fluffy, it's dense, and it's perfect for a look like this. I'm going to start blending the color out in my lids, and I'm going to soften it at the crease so it melts in with my skin color. With a smaller blending brush that can reach out to my crease more accurately, I'm going to take the same brown shade and I'm going to deepen the outer corner and the crease. I'm going to take the same color with a smaller shader brush. This is from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to smoke it out in my lower lash line. There's definitely some fallout, as you can see, so I'm going to dust it off and reapply the powder. In my waterline, I'm using a black eye pencil. This is the Easy Liner from Jordana in black. You can use a kajal, you can use a black gel liner, you can use a black eye pencil, anything that you like. And she definitely had lined her top lash line, so I'm going to be using the NYX matte black eyeliner to line my top lash line. If you observe her eye makeup, it's an intense brown smoky eye. There's a dark color used in the very outer corner. So I'm going to be using this dark brown shade in the outer corners of the upper and lower lash line. I'm going to then prepare my lashes for the falsies by curling it and applying a coat of the Big Shot mascara from Maybelline.
Heard the cries, but you wouldn't dry my tears away. So now.
And for lashes, I'm going with the Bayfolin Faux Mink lashes in XM 2100. She also had lashes that were dense and curled out at the end, so these fit perfectly for this look. A direct link and a discount code for these lashes are in the description box right below this video. And I'm going to finish up my eye makeup by applying a coat of mascara in my lower lash line. And my favorite mascara to use in my lower lashes is the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. As I mentioned before, the only thing that was visible on her face was a soft contour. No blush, no highlighter, so I'm going to skip all that and move to my lips. On her lip, she had a soft brown color, so I'm going to be using the Jordana lip liner in brown suede, which is a perfect match for what she was wearing. I'm going to line my lips as well as fill it in using the same lip liner. And then to lock all my makeup in, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild setting spray. As we guessed, she had a small red bindi and all her jewelry was silver jewelry like what I'll be wearing today. She had some big, beautiful jhumkas, a beautiful heavy choker and a longer necklace. And her tika and matapati were very similar to what I'm wearing. This is a typical South Indian style with red stones and it looks very traditional. And this look is incomplete without that rose garland that she was wearing. Obviously, she was wearing fresh flowers and I couldn't find anything with fresh flowers. So I'm going to be using this that I bought from a craft store here in the US. And here's the final look, you guys. And as I mentioned before, I think she looked like a goddess and I truly enjoyed recreating this look. Let me know your thoughts by commenting below. And if you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This beautiful Kanjivaram sari is from Bangalore and all of the jewelry that I'm wearing today is actually my cousin's jewelry. I hope you're having a great day and I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.